Good afternoon, people. What am I doing? It's a Sunday afternoon. Approximately 15 minutes till 1 p.m. I'm on Highway 11 out here. Where am I going? Well, it's Anchor. Let's see. I'll get that in there. Sorry about the blur. Well, she has like 31,677 miles on it, and the had a message said oil change soon. So I googled. There's a Valvoline. It's at oil change place about an hour down the road. I don't have anything else to do, and servicing, maintenance, that's a priority to me. I'm out here, just running around doing my thing. And yes, maintenance. I believe in it. So, and one thing about these Valvoline is that oil change places, I ain't gonna have to get out of my car. I ain't kidding you. Yeah, they check this, that, and all the fluids, and to me, and they, dispose of the oil, and I don't have to get my hands dirty. Lazy? Well, each to their own. If you want to change your own oil and, do all that stuff, that's up to you. I'm trying to think back, when was the last time I changed my own oil? I don't remember. Okay, an update. That's where I'll be going. And enjoy your Sunday. See you later.